How to top up pledge coins on the app. Click on the My page at the bottom and then select FIL in the currency information list. On this page, there are several functions such as deposit, withdrawal, transfer, and inquiry of capital flow. To deposit pledge coins, you need to first click on the deposit button, then scan the code or copy the FIL address of your account to your Huobi withdrawal address or other external FIL wallet. After the deposit is received, click the transfer button to transfer the FIL in the basic account to the encapsulate account to complete the deposit of the pledge currency. As CloudRush adheres to the principle of transparency and openness, hence, all your pledge currency consumption details and remaining amount can be viewed in the app. That is all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching this video.